what you need this year for class. Well, first we're going to start with the big one, the binder. You will need a binder. I recommend at least an inch thick, but you can go bigger. It's going to contain all of your written work for the year. And inside that binder, I would like you to have some sheet protectors. You're going to need about one per subject, and some dividers. You're going to need about one per subject as well. And we'll go over what we're going to do with that when we are in class. You will need a second binder. This second binder is going to solely be for your Bible summaries, which you are going to do every single day. So have a second binder. This one needs to be an inch thick, and that's about it. You don't need anything thicker than that. The next thing you're going to need is a red folder. Just a plain red folder with nothing in it. This is going to be your absent folder. So if you're absent for the day, I can put your work in here, and you can get it out of that red folder. So bring the red folder to class first day. Everything I'm asking you to bring, I want you to bring on the first day. We'll check everything and give you points. You will also need binder paper, preferably in your binder. You need binder paper. Just regular 8.5 by 11 binder paper. You can do wide ruled, college ruled. I don't really care. The one thing I do care about is the edges. Make sure you get binder paper with clean edges. If you get one of these books with a spiral on the end and you get edges like this where they are messy and crumply, I'm just going to get rid of those. I don't like them at all. Also get a composition book. Get 2 of them. We're going to use these for math and exclusively for math. If you can find the ones with the grids in them, get the grid ones. If not, the normal ones will be fine. You'll at least go through 1, maybe 2, possibly 3. You don't have to get them all right away. You need to start with 1. So on the first day of school, bring 1 of them so we can check it in. Okay, now let's go with the small stuff. You're going to need some index cards, 3 by 5 index cards. They can be blank or ruled or half and half. That's fine. It doesn't matter to me. Depends on your own preference. You'll need a pair of scissors because we'll be cutting stuff out in class. You'll need a glue stick so you can glue things together in class. Pencil, number 2 pencil. We will use number 2 pencils for math, and really only for math and the special Terra Nova testing. I'm going to have you use pen most of the time, but I really want you to use number 2 pencil for math every time. So with the pencil, an extra eraser in case the one on the end of your pencil gets used up, and a pencil sharpener so you don't have to get up in class and disturb the class by getting your pencil sharpened. Like I said, I want you to use pens most of the time. So here you can have a black pen or a blue pen. But those are the only 2 colors that I can accept in class, a black or a blue pen. Bring more than 1 of them in case you run out of ink in the middle of class. You could just switch to a different pen without having to disturb the class by looking for one in your backpack or borrowing one from a friend or whatever. You will also need a red pen. We will use red pens when we correct each other's work. So bring a red pen to class, bring 2 just in case. When we do math work, eventually you're going to need a protractor. Get one with a ruler on it because you also have to measure things for another part of class. So you can get this and a ruler, or if you get one with the ruler on it, inches and centimeters. You need both. You can just have this protractor, and you'll need a compass for drawing circles. I'll teach you how to use them in class. If you don't get this kind. That's really hard. Just get the ones that will hold a regular pencil, because then you can put your pencil in, take your pencil out there easier to replace. You also need a dry erase marker, and you'll need an eraser. Don't worry about bringing a whiteboard. I've got whiteboards in class, and we'll use those there. But you need your own dry erase board and dry erase marker and eraser for special things in class. And that's all I got for you. School starts in 2 weeks. I hope you're enjoying your summer, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.